Welcome to another episode of the Mostly Mike Show. Today I'm going to demonstrate how a tree can actually fall up, if that makes any sense. It actually makes no sense, but I'm going to show you exactly how it can and does happen. What I am doing is pretty dangerous, so I would not advise doing this at home. The Mostly Mike Show accepts no responsibility for any injuries or collateral damages incurred while replicating the tomfoolery in my videos. So I'm in my mom's backyard after a recent storm, and these maple trees had uprooted from what I believe was a microburst or perhaps a micro tsunami from this little brook. But I'd put my money on microburst though. My dad's old antique hay rake was setting at the base of this tree, so it was also in need of rescuing. The plan is to use a length of rope to secure the hay rake to the base of the tree and cut the tree roughly 20 feet up from the base. Hopefully the tree will stand itself up by way of stored energy from the tons of dirt pulling down on the root ball, therefore making the tree stand up and the hay rake safe again. I did something similar at another place and another time with a different tree in another video. It scared hell out of me as it almost took my head off. It wasn't filmed as well, and I didn't get the footage from the distance, but I'll post the link anyway. Watch closely as I carefully make the final cut. That was something. And the tree is up, and the hay rake is safe again. If you enjoyed this video, how about giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new here so you can stay in the loop when I load more cool videos like this one. Please visit my Amazon store before you make any purchase, and you will help this channel improve future content through small commissions that I earn from any sale. Thanks for watching this Mostly Mike Show presentation, and I'll see you next time.